All these kids in blue shirts. Good trip.
"12 seconds later."
I think bro for coming over here and question me. We rolling. He watched me, now he rolling over real slow. He finna question me. They ain't never got a problem, man. Just be curious. We finna see. What up, boss man?
Man, you wanna do that for demonstration, you know that, don't you?
For demonstration? Boom, for the rundown on the bike. We got 800 millimeter, like lengthwise, 35 millimeter rise, Renthal fat bars. For all my parts, I will try to have my parts link in the description, but if I can't find them, then I don't know. You gotta look for it for yourself at this point, because those handlebars are hard to come across. And if you find them, it might be for a very expensive price. But I got mine for the low from my bike shop. And my forks is, I think these are the same ones that come on the C100 Pro. But once again, I got it from the bike shop. But this is a RockShot Recon, and mine is through axle. I don't know if the C100 Pros come through axle or not, but mine is through axle. Through axle is just, the axle is just the axle is like this thick compared to like a quick release. This thick, you feel me? So it's relatively stronger. Nook proof front wheel. It's a tubeless front wheel, so it's MTB ready. I'm not doing like no crazy MTB stuff right now with that, so I just use it because it's stronger. And the all black look good. But you know, hook worms front and back. And then for the back wheel, I had to, you know what I'm saying, depending on how you ride, your ride style. Actually, not even depending on ride style. Really for anybody. Build you up a back wheel. It'll last longer, it'll treat you better, and it'll feel a whole lot better. But for the hoop itself, DT Swiss R500. I was running a M462, but I can say I upgraded. I changed it to the R500. That's the hoop. And then for the spokes, I got a pretty hefty spoke. They also DT Swiss. Then for the hub, Kozer. I promise you, I found Kozer a long time ago on Amazon. They cheap, but they lovely. I'm going to upgrade in the future. Don't get me wrong. I'm not going to lie to you. Just because I want, you know, try something new. I've been running Kuda for a long time. And for the brake setup, we're running that good old hefty Shimano Dior XT. Two piston, not the four. I done broke too many frames, and I ain't trying to break one of my C100s. And for the seat, we got a SE block flyer seat. We got to change that because I thought this seat was gripping until you ride one of the collective seats, the suede collective seats. I need one. So if you hit me, if you got one for sale, let me know. I'm willing to buy one. I'm willing to shop with your boy. What's going on over here? What we got? All right, cool. But yeah, that's really it for the setup. The cranks, I changed them, but the old V3s still came with these cranks. So, but I mean, I changed this and the bottom bracket just over time, but it's still factory because it's the same thing. And then for the derailleur, I'm running a short cage because the stuff I do, you feel me? I kind of need a short cage. It helped with them to play in the chain. You can have a shorter chain, all that good stuff. And for my cassette, I think I got 11 by 34. I think that's a tube count. 11 by 34. Which is a road bike cassette. It's way smaller. The gear ratio is smaller. So I got the road bike cassette over like the regular standard MTV set that came with it. or like a bigger one, like the LH1, where you trying to do like no hand stuff like that. It's still possible on this. It just requires, a little bit more, you know what I mean? But for the setup, it's really the setup for real. And then for everybody wondering how I get my bike like this, it's a regular bike. I promise you. It's a regular C100. I just wrapped it, like how cars get vinyl wrapped. I just wrapped it. You know what I'm saying? If you want your bike wrapped, hit your boy up on Instagram, slide in the DMs. Pause. That didn't even sound right. Hit me up on Instagram. Put it like that. Hit me up on Instagram. It's gonna be right here. Hit me up on Instagram. It's gonna be right here. I'll get you right with the wraps, man. People told me I should start wrapping people bikes. If you hit me up, I got you. If you stay in Florida, I even drive to you type thing, help you out. You got to charge a little delivery fee. But for the bike bill, that's what it is, man. Roll you out a little B-roll footage and a little footage of your boy cutting up.
Rage on the beat, going crazy.
No, I must be old scary ass man. It's creepy in nature for real when you can't see it. Like I know it ain't nothing but like some lizards and a couple squirrels and birds. They just making too much noise over there. Cause for y'all who don't know, it's a bunch of land out there. And it's a bunch of shit out there. The alligator park way out there. I ain't go back them coming this far, that's too far, but still it's crazy. Man, we got a big little downhill coming up, Gotta bomb him right. Dumbass jet. Dumbass squirrel. Feel me? Stop, man. Oh man. Whee! There goes Franco. See this little pathway. It's a little beyond my color. Hey Siri, pause music. I need silence for this one. I don't want to run into no spider web. See what I mean? Spider web right there. Ain't nobody home, but for the gram, right? Or for something. On Dolo out there big too. It's just too quiet. Another spider web. That one big as ever. With a little spider. Bro.